Some of you might have heard the word coatings before. Some of you might have not. Well, the paint that we use to color the wall so it won't look dull and boring, the lacquer that you apply on the surface of the wood so it won't be attacked by termites, those are the examples of coatings. Well, basically, coating is a thin layer of a film covering a surface of an object, which is very important for two reasons, protections and decorations. In coating industry, the most common material being used is based on synthetic polymer, which involves the combinations of different types of chemicals. Most of you are well aware that chemicals are expensive, and too much of it can cause negative impact towards the environment and also humans' health. So, I would like to introduce to all of you a green and low-cost coating material which is known as geopolymer. This material is cost-effective and less hazardous, where all you need is one raw material and only one type of chemical to prepare geopolymer. In fact, the raw material can be obtained from natural resource and also from industrial waste, which makes it green. However, when they form into thin film, geopolymer tend to be very brittle and easy to crack, which leads to coating failure. So, in my PhD research, my concern is not only about introducing geopolymer as low-cost and green coating material, but also to make it flexible. According to previous researchers, to improve the flexibility, you may add in fiber or superplasticizers, which is the chemical base. But in my case, what I did is I modified the raw material that I used, which is fly ash, by crushing them into a smaller particle size. Theoretically, smaller particle size of fly ash is much more reactive towards the chemical during the preparations of geopolymer, and it will consequently improve the flexible properties of geopolymer itself. Well, this is proven, where you can see from the graph, geopolymer prepared from modified fly ash shows higher flexural strength compared to the one prepared from original fly ash, which indicates lower potentials of cracking. Well, ladies and gentlemen, flexible geopolymer has the potential to become the next green and economical coating material, which is not only going to benefit the researchers, the industries, the consumers, but also to the earth. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.